Here's one you don't see every day. Nice looking 1959 Ford F100 custom cab short box. Kind of put this in the street ride category. Has had some modifications done to it, making it a little more reliable, a little more fun to drive. Underneath the hood, 355 small block Chevy, and that is paired with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive. So automatic with overdrive, go down the highway nicely. Also some nice amenities underneath there: power steering, power brakes. Now, if you want to check out the still picture so you can see that engine bay, check out what I'm talking about. Look at the underside of the truck, interior, the bed. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Mustang 2 front end. Now, as far as this paint, 2006 GM Green Apple, according to the previous owner. And paint is in nice shape. You're going to find, like with any truck that you have a little larger flat front end on, you're going to pick up a few little tiny, maybe rock chips. But overall, you can see there's a nice luster to it. Base coat, clear coat. Overall, the paint shows well. Take this into your local cruise-ins, roll-ins. Definitely turn some heads. Sounds good. Take a look up and down the driver's side. You can see the truck's nice and straight. Riding on the wide white wall radials. And as you can see, artillery style wheels with the Ford chrome center caps. White bench seat, fold down armrest, tilt column. Also nicely set up on the inside. Stewart Warner gauges. We'll get around there in a little bit. Check out the interior. Fire it up so you can hear it run. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Notice up front, chrome bumper in the rear. Nice looking dual exhaust coming out the back. Now I have the diamond plated tool chest back here, if you will, or storage compartment. Be making it nice doing any traveling with this. Got a secure place to put any sort of luggage or valuables. Those lights that you see are also wired for brakes and blinkers. A little more safety. Those lights center mounted in the back. You can see louvered tailgate, custom look, and then a spray and liner back here. And again, take your time, look through the still pictures. There's probably close to 100 pictures of this truck online. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And a nice side mount fill for fuel. You don't have any sort of cap in the bed or any hokey setup for filling the fuel. Just a side door there. See how good that chrome looks too on those wheels, those wide whites. Straight up and down the driver's side also. Now, as far as the interior, I did mention the tilt column. We have a stereo added also. And those Stewart Warner gauges. Wipers work. Heater fan blows. Appears everything is hooked up for heat. Now, this is not a stain on the carpet. It is a gray carpeting. That's actually custom green lights that light up in here. See it on the passenger side there also. And again, bench seat, vinyl, fold down armrest. Start this truck up. Good running truck, good sounding. See how easily that starts. Battery gauge works, oil pressure works. We have over here fuel gauge, and temp will come up as the truck warms up. Tachometer also working. I did mention the wipers work. Stereo system. Here's your blower fan. Alright. Slip around to the back. Show that headliner quick first. Everything good there. Dome light works. See how nicely that door closes. And there also is a miscellaneous box that goes with some receipts And there's also extra set of the filler for the doors. What am I looking for? The gasket sets for the doors, the rubber gaskets that go around. There is an extra set of those for it. Nice sounding truck. A little rumble coming out of that 355 underneath the hood. Alright, I'm going to come up to the front here, pause this a second, let's pop the hood, check out this engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Now the support rod, an adjustable one right there, that will go with the truck. I'll put it in with those door gasket kit. So it will be in with the truck. All right, here we go, aluminum radiator. Nice fan setup, see serpentine belt system. Nice dress up on the engine with the polished aluminum, painted green to match, valve covers, air cleaner cover. There's your headers. As you can see back below the battery, there is an on-off kill switch. Towards power steering, power brakes. A nice smooth running engine. And again, that's paired with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive, so this truck's set up nicely. 1959 Ford F100 Custom Cab, short box, street rod, nice looking truck. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.